The next step to using InspectionWorks on the Borescope is to set up Push2IW or Push2InspectionWorks, which is the feature that allows you to sync your inspections to the cloud as you're performing them. So go to the main menu on your Borescope and then click on Insight. From here, you'll be prompted to sign into InspectionWorks. So if you have a Baker Hughes account or a B2B account for your credentials, click on Baker Hughes SSO. And then from here, I'll go ahead and skip these next couple of steps where I enter in my email and password for privacy reasons. Next, you'll be prompted to put in your account/tenant name. So I'll go ahead and put in my account name. All right. Once you're signed in and you're connected to your account, this is where you'll set up Push2IW or Push2InspectionWorks. So first, you're going to create a folder, and this is a folder where every inspection that you perform in this folder will be pushed to InspectionWorks to this account. So I click Select Folder, and I'll create a new folder called Demo, D/demo, you see at the top left. Click Done, and then make sure I turn on Push2IW. So now at this point, any inspection that I perform or any file that I put in this folder will be pushed to InspectionWorks under this account.